Hi Year 10 and welcome to week 2, which is page 6, 7 and 8. And what we're going to do, we're going to have a look at drawing facial features, okay? So the first one is an eye. And all you've got to do is follow the step-by-step instructions to draw more and more detail in the eye. And hopefully by the end of the drawing, you'll get to here, slide 15. We get a lot of detail and shade and tone in the eye around the skin, make it look more 3D, okay? So what you're going to do is, the very first one is you're going to just add a little circle, oval to that. You're then going to add a little line in, like so, and then tidy it up maybe. So I can just get my rubber. So you just tidy that up, okay? And then they're asking to do anything like that, and then you're going to. So all I'm doing is I'm following these instructions and adding to my original oval every time, okay? So just tidy that up. Okay, and I'm going to put my circle in there. Then of course, you're going to be adding in more shadow. So what I tend to do is just draw a wee outline of where the shadow is going to go. So that gives me, and then obviously there's another line on top. And then all I'll do is it extends a wee bit there. So I'm just shading in this area with black. Can mirror tidy up a bit up. Okay. And then you're adding in, let me see where we're, just that comes around a bit more. So there we get me undulations in there. Bring that line down, touch down there. Okay, what else is it asking me? Yeah, a little bit of shadow. Just stand up. And you've got a little bit of shadow, a little shape there, which is quite nice. And then little bits of shadow in here. And then bringing that, just strengthening that line up and making it very light underneath, okay? So you just keep adding to it. You can tidy up as you go along if you need to. So you maybe make lines a little bit more shaped out. That can be darker. You need your knowledge of tone. Just blend. Okay, so there should be some wee light bits in there too. There's wee bits in there. And then of course there, as you go along, you'll see that they're going to go back into that again. So that's going to give a little highlight. So what we do is we just outline And you can maybe go back in here, this part of the eye. Okay, and then they're just kind of breaking that up a little bit. Okay, and then they're talking about the eyelashes curving, like we talked about in the first one. The eyelashes curve, and then they've strengthened this line. And then they put in a shadow here. Okay, so you can play about with that yourself. As you can see, that's just the eye. A little bit time consuming there. The nose is, you draw a very simple perpendicular line, and you're going to add in different things like this. And then it just basically shows you what you can do to add in things like that, okay? Just keep on following the instructions. And on page 8, very simple, 2 short lines above that line, then you can, work out the shape of the mouth, and then you can do your curve in there and so on, and then you can do curves along the bottom to be more like that, okay? And then you can just kind of undulating on the bottom, and then basically you're rounding off. So you're rounding off in those bits, okay? Always think as well about that center line. Really, there should be a center line through all of these things, because a lot of it tends to mirror the other shapes in there, okay? So it's page 6, 7, and 8, drawing different types of facial features. Okay, thanks, all the best, bye.